Good, so created security rule. The only thing left is to create the configuration, so the index.html file. So let's start with Webserver 01 and I'll click Overview now. So what I need is actually the public IP. I will click on Connect and copy to clipboard everything here. And I'll now switch to my terminal app. So I will paste here and enter. I will type yes and admin123 exclamation mark. Great, sudo su, and I'm now root, so I have elevated the privileges. I can run any command that I want. So root means full privileges, full rights. So first update the machine, sudo apt update. So update, and I will type -y in order to accept anything that I'm asked during the process. So if the process stops, I will have to type y in order to accept, and that's for yes. So that's why I put there the option -y. So one thing to note, you don't have to be a Linux expert or I don't know, a developer expert or something. In the folder that you have just downloaded at the beginning of the course, you have everything that you need in order to perform the labs if you choose to do so. So this is lecture 3.14. So if I just enter here, I have the configuration steps for the web server. So these are available. These are the steps. So sudo su, then I update the machine. Then if I just take this one, I will install Apache. So this is the web server. So everything is being configured. Let's just wait. So reading database, the progress is almost ready. Good. All right, going back, I can just check the status of the Apache 2. So the web server, is it running or not? Yes, I can see it running. Just type Q on the keyboard in order to exit that. Going back to the instructions, I will go to this location, so the HTML folder. So paste here, that's fine. I will remove the existing index.html file, paste that, and so going back here and enter, and now nano, so just to define a new one, HTML. Good, going back to this one, actually no, you have here the index.html for Webserver 01 and for Webserver 02. So it should look like this. All right, let me just open it like with TextMate in my case. So TextMate, I will take everything that's in here. So copy and paste it here. All right, Control X, Y for yes, and enter in order to confirm the changes. So if I say cat and index.html, this is the new index.html file. And again, you have all the instructions here. Good, so we're done with this one. Let's now connect to Webserver 02. So exit and exit. I'll go back to the portal and go to virtual machines and Webserver 02. I will take the connect. I will take the full syntax here. So SSH Azure admin, that's fine. Going to the terminal app and paste, enter. Yes, I confirm. It's the first time I'm connecting to this virtual machine. Admin123 exclamation mark. So it should be good. Yes, sudo su, then sudo apt update and -y in order to update to the latest packages in this Linux machine. So preparing myself for the Apache installation. So this is the one. Copy. So once the update is done, I will paste the command here, and the web server is being installed right now. I will take this command cd, so change directory to the HTML folder. So I'm waiting for the Apache Web 2 server, so Apache 2 web server to be installed, and it shouldn't take that long really. Great, pasting the next command. So I'm going to this location, rm for removing the index.html file. I am creating a new one, HTML, good. Let me get back to the folder. So this time I'm going to copy the content, which is actually almost the same, but I have here web server 02 because this is the second web server. So copy the content, paste it here in the CLI, then Ctrl X, Y in order to accept, and enter for index.html file. I want to see the content, so cat index.html, and I see here web server 02 and the message, welcome to Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900 Training Bootcamp. Excellent, so exit and exit. So let me get back to the Azure portal now. So I will close this and this. So now what we need to do is go to home, and I will take a look in all resources as an example, and I will search for the public, here is load balancer, good. And what I'm interested in, it's its public IP. So this is the public IP. I will take it, copy to clipboard. So here it is, web server 01. Now I try to refresh the page multiple times. And here it is. So I have just opened a new browser, now going into incognito mode, and now I have web server 02. So two different clients, to say so, connected. One has been served by web server 01 and one has been served by web server 02. So load balancing has been confirmed and is working as expected. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.